Rodman Renshaw, senior tech analyst at Ashok Kumar, weighing in from Stanford, California. Ashok, good to have you back on the program. So what an exotic name, first of all, the ice cream sandwich. What do you make of it so far?
I think the reports suggest, Susan, that the software is not market ready yet. There are some unknown issues with it. However, unlike hardware product recall, Google can issue maintenance patches once the product has been released. There are also reports that the Samsung Nexus, which is also expected to roll out, is having battery issues in that the product becomes too hot to touch. But all these are short-term issues. I think longer-term, Android and its ecosystem are expected to maintain the pole position in the smartphone race, as measured by applications in devices sold, the size of the active developer community.
Isn't it ironic that the battery gets too hot and yet the operating system is still called the ice cream sandwich? Sorry, I was just trying to found that kind of funny. Okay, Ashok, what about this application then? Because they're trying to up the ante here. They have a facial recognition technology, which is a bit more sophisticated, you could say, than say the voice recognition technology that the new Apple iPhone 4S is using.
Yes, I think it's all in a case of one-upmanship. I think we also expect the iOS platform to match this technology in kind over the near term. Actually, Google was reluctant to release this particular technology because of privacy issues in the U.S., and it looks like they have elected to go forward with this feature set. But again, these competitive differentiators are fleeting between these two camps, and with the Microsoft Windows platform also expected to come online next year. I think it'll be a three-horse race between these three major vendors.
Okay, so what does that mean? It sounds like you're not too enthusiastic about this new ice cream sandwich. It's not going to be the iPhone, iPad killer?
No, we do not think any of these will be an iPad or an iOS killer by any stretch of imagination. But I do not think we should view this as a zero-sum game. The smartphone unit sales last year were 300 million, and the forecasts are for those unit opportunity to expand over threefold to over 900 million by 2015, with, of course, Android capturing about 45% of the market, the iOS or the Apple capturing about 20%, and then Microsoft also coming in very strong with high teens type of market share. The loser appears to be RIM on all fronts.
Yeah, RIM on all fronts. Okay, so let me ask you about those Apple earnings that really disappointed the market. So some are saying this shows a chink in Apple's armor. Do you think other computer companies, technology companies are smelling opportunity?
Yeah, I think, Susan, the iPhone shortfall can be explained away. I think the 17 million sell-through versus street expectations of 20 million or higher, that can be explained away because of the timing issue of the iPhone 4S launch and some inventory rebalancing. However, what cannot be explained away is the shortfall in iPad shipments. The company shipped just a little over 11 million units versus 13 million or higher that is expected by the street. It's very likely that some of the unit shortfall is related to cannibalization by the MacBook Air. So I think that's one issue. And then, of course, the Amazon's Kindle Fire is also emerging as a very strong competitor to Apple, and we expect Amazon to ship over 5 million units in the December quarter.
Okay, so maybe the good times might be over. Ashok, thank you for your insights today. Good talking to you. Ashok Kumar speaking to us there from Stanford, California.